His Excellency, the distinguished Vice President of Nigeria, Senator Hashim Shettima.
On behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I extend our condolences and respect to the family, the people of Onitsha Olona, and the government and people of Delta State. We honor the life he lived and the examples he set.